all. Hope you are fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So students, I have already started my explanation of the chapter 4 of class 5, and our topic of the chapter is our beautiful country. So I have already explained the various topics, like for example, I have explained you the story time. I have also explained the journey of Sonam, Rima, Jyoti and her guide named Sheila. Okay, on their journey they got the different plateaus. Okay, they also went in the desert area. Okay, and they have also shared the experience of the desert, which is in the page number 3, your left side line column, you can see. For the reference, before starting today, now we are going to start on the mountains here we come. But before starting, I will read it, then I will start mountains here we come. For the revision, I hope you will do the revision and you will listen the revision very nicely. I will read it only, and if you want the explanation of anything, you can go and watch the previous video, which is already there in the group and also in the YouTube there. Okay, you can watch the YouTube videos, then you can continue watching here. As a result, it will help you to clearly understand what has been already taught and what we are discussing it about. So without wasting time, let's start and let's read it first, then we will come here, mountains here we come, and we will discuss from here. Okay, so we read it. So plateau, we started our journey from Bilaspur in the Chhattisgarh, which lies in the region of the Chota Nagpur plateau. A plateau is a flat tableland which rises abruptly from the surrounding areas. Rich minerals, deposits like iron, mica and limestones are found in this region. Farmers in this region grow cotton and oilseeds. The landscape was pictured with orange orchards and vineyards on the way. Plateaus can be found in each and every continent. The vegetation in plateaus differ from the one area to another. The higher plateaus are used for sheep and cattle rearing, and lower plateaus are suitable for farming. Some plateaus are rather huge, covering hundreds of kilometers. The Deccan Plateau covers more than 8 states of India. A few plateaus have lots of mineral deposits. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in India has a lot of coal, iron ore reserves apart from bauxite, copper and manganese. Some plateaus are located in dry region on the leeward side of mountains. In some plateaus like the Colorado Plateau in the Grand Canyon, USA, that is United States of America, one can see the deep gorges and canyons. At times, plateaus have river flowing through them. The Tibetan Plateau is surrounded by the mountains on all the sides. In certain cases, the weather in the plateaus can be quite cold because of the height, like for example Shillong. And also Arunachal Pradesh places are very cold. Mining happens to be the crucial occupation in these places to the desert. Now they will go to the desert and also share the experience about the desert, as we can know and learn about the desert. After traveling for 4 days, we reached Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, a desert region. The roads were broad and the people were wearing colorful clothes. We stopped at a small restaurant and had a delicious Rajasthani thali. It was fascinating to see camel, carts and women carrying pitchers to get waters from the wells. We spent the night at a resort. Next morning, we decided to visit sand dunes which were about 42 kilometers away from Jaisalmer. They are known as a sand. Bhanu Singh ji, our resort manager, told us that life in the desert region was tough. There is a scarcity of rainfall, hence scanty vegetation is found here. It is difficult to lay roads and railway lines. Dust storms are common and the temperature during the summer rises up to 50 degrees Celsius. It is because of the reason like this that few people live in the desert. Sandstorms lead to the creation of the sand dunes, which are basically small hills made from sand. Date palms and the cacti are common desert plants. One can also see oases, areas where the small pools of water can be found in deserts. It is around an oasis that date palms can be seen. Deserts are normally seen on the western parts of the continent. So till here we have discussed in the previous video. If you did not watch it, go and watch the previous video. So we will discuss in the mountains here we come. Okay, so let's discuss about it. Where we continued our journey towards Uttarakhand. Okay, we continued our journey towards Uttarakhand.